it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have soft gel pastel nails perfect for the spring season from BTArtbox. So come on in, sit back, relax. Remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Alright, so jumping straight into the product, this is the BTArtbox XCOATTIPS soft gel nail tips, and these are their brighter pastel colors. When I saw these, I was like, this is perfect timing for the springtime. The sun is coming out and the weather is getting warmer, so it's time to add a little bit of more color to your nail designs. Now, these are all French tips that I have here, because French tip is just so beautiful and simple, but you have to kick it up a notch sometimes and add a little bit of color. This set comes with 5 different colors, so there's blue, green, purple, orange, and pink. And today I'm using the pink because I am a pink girly and I love pink. So I'm going to start off with this color, and also you can mix and match the colors as well. And since these colors are so vibrant, they even give a nice summer look, so you can go back in and do your nails again and again and again, and even into the summertime have a nice mix of color. Now, this set wouldn't be right unless you had the perfect fit, so I'm going in finger by finger and I'm just going to size these tips to my nail to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall, and then I'm going to go start with nail prep and gluing the nails. All I'm doing is just twisting off the nail tip to detach it, and then I set it aside so that I know which one is for which nail. And I also have a code with BTArtbox if you are interested for 10% off your order, so that'll be linked in the description below. In order for my nail tips to stay on real nice and give it that longevity that we all want with our nail tips, I need to prep them properly. So I'm using my cuticle pusher to push back my cuticles. I also use a hand file to file off any excess gel that I have on my nails from my previous nail sets. And then I go in with an e-file and a couple of drill bits to finesse the cuticle area. I'm using the BTArtbox gel glue to glue my nails down, and I'm going to use this to glue the nail tips on with the light that they also have on their website. I'll also leave the links to these products in a description below, but I'm just going to brush on a thin layer of the gel onto the nail. Now with my nail tips glued down, they look okay, but I just really like to finesse the area around my cuticle just to make sure that it is seamless. And so I'm using my e-file and a really thin cuticle drill bit that I typically use to prep my natural nails, just to get in that corner here and make it look really nice and clean. BTArtbox has a French protecting duo that helps protect the French tips and make them last. So the first item is the builder gel and the second is top coat. I'm going in with the builder gel first, and that is used to build up and strengthen the nail tips. And it can also be used to provide a smooth surface for the application of nail polish or other nail art. And lastly, I'm going in with the top coat, and this is a flexible no wipe top coat to avoid nicks, chips, or smudges, and it gives it that beautiful shine in the end. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.